Stroll past ancient churches with the sound of bells ringing in the background. Explore the underground mining museum at Peca, where history comes alive beneath the earth. Admire stunning art exhibitions in the gallery, each piece telling its own story. Discover the mythological King Matjaž in his cave, a legendary figure of Slovenian folklore. Witness the traditional blacksmithing craft, showcasing the skill and artistry of this ancient trade. Visit Slovenia and immerse yourself in its rich cultural heritage and timeless traditions. Experience rafting on the Drava River, a journey that connects you with nature and history